Number one here, is this a geometric sequence? If it is, it means you're multiplying by something each time, not adding, but multiplying by something. So 2 to 6. Well, oops, we can figure out we can see what that's being multiplied by. I can see this being multiplied by 3, but let's say I couldn't see it. Well, the easiest way is always take your second term here and just divide it by the first term here. Gives you 3. That means, hey, you were multiplying by 3 moving to the right. So we multiplied by 3 to get 6. Yes. Then 6 times 3 gave me 18. Yes. 18 times 3 gave me 54. Yes. 54 times 3 gives me 162. Yes. So this is a geometric sequence. It's going up, being multiplied by the same thing each time. What about number 2? Well, it looks like you multiplied by 2. But here, if you multiply by 2, you should get 8. You got 6. No, this is not a geometric sequence. You're adding 2 each time, aren't you? No, that's not geometric. Geometric, you got to be multiplying by something. So the answer here is no, that is not a geometric sequence. The next, look at this. What were we doing? Well, if you take the second term, divide by that first term, that gives you 1.5. And you're saying, hey, did I multiply by 1.5 each time? So take 4.5, multiply by 1.5 on your calculator, and boom, you're going to get 6.75. Yeah. If I take 6.75, multiply it by 1.5 and see, does it give it to 10.125? Yes. Okay. Now, again, the other option, you could always just take this and divide by the term back and see, does it give you 1.5, and then 6.75 divided by that. It'll give you the same bit of 1.5 every single time. But with a geometric sequence, we're multiplying by something to get the next term. So the answer here is yes, this was, and the rate which we were doing it was 1.5. Number 4. Well, 7 to 14, a little obvious. Yeah, it looks like maybe you're multiplying by 2. 14 times 2 is 28. Yep. 28 times 56, or 28 times 2 gives me 56. Yes. And 56 times 2. Yes. You were multiplying by 2 here. So since you're multiplying every term to get the next term, the answer is yes. And then the final one here. 0.25 to 1. Well, let's say you don't recognize what you're necessarily multiplying by. Well, if I take the second term, divide by the first, it gives me 4. Yeah, okay. So I'm multiplying by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16. Yes, we're multiplying by 4 every time. So this also is a geometric sequence.